Hey my lovelies, welcome back to Abby Varieties TV. Today we are making use of our new Innsky Air fryer, and the recipe we'll be making is chocolate chip muffins. Let's get started. In a bowl we will pour 1 cup of plain flour or all-purpose flour. Please ensure all dry ingredients are sifted to get rid of any lump in case there are any. Also, we'll add 1/4 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Now we're going to add 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Please ensure all dry ingredients are sifted. I sifted this off camera. We'll mix nicely for all to combine. Now we'll add in our oil. This is 3 tablespoons of sunflower oil. You can use any oil of your choice. And as well, we're going to add in 1/2 cup of milk. I'm using whole milk. You can use any milk of choice. Ensure the milk is in room temperature or lukewarm. Now we'll mix nicely to get this kind of consistency. Now we need to add 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and we'll also add in our chocolate chips. Folding the chocolate chips nicely, like so. Here we have our silicone muffin pans, or you can call it silicone cupcake molds. It's very bendy and flexible and reusable. To get this, check the link in the description box below. So now let's scoop out our batter. Please ensure your cake batter is not filled to the top of the baking pan to give room for the cake to rise. Now let's use our air fryer. So now we're gonna use the preheat setting, and then we'll set the temperature to 150 degrees Celsius. And we'll preheat our air fryer for 5 minutes. Now that our hair fryer has been preheated, we're gonna add some more chocolate chip on top of our batter. You can see the capacity of this air fryer is so big, very spacious, and conveniently sits 9 muffin pans without any trouble. I recommend you get yourself one of this air fryer. The link to get it, you can find it below in the description box of this video. Now we're gonna set our air fryer to 150 degrees Celsius and then we'll bake our muffins for 15 minutes. I would like to appreciate you all, my lovely subscribers, both old and new. Thank you so much for your support. At the time of this recording, we have 17,000 plus and counting. You guys are the real MVP. Thank you so much for the show of love and support on this channel and all of the videos. Your continuous support keeps me going. Please like, share, comment, and for new viewers, feel free to subscribe to the channel. Subscription is totally free, and please remember to put on your notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Guys, look at these beauties we just baked with this lovely, massively big air fryer. Leave to cool down for about 10 minutes or so. Now that our muffins are cool, let's have a taste of this yummy goodness. Look how easy the cake is coming off the silicone pan. I encourage you to get this silicone pan. It makes life very easy. Look at this beauty. Now let's have a taste. Ooh, yummy, yummy, yummy. Please ensure to try out this recipe, and I would like to get a comment. Put down a comment for me if you try it out. If it works for you, I would like to know. If not, if you have any trouble, let me know and then we can rectify it together. Please remember to give this video a big thumbs up and share with your family and loved ones. And then I'll see you in my next video. Bye.